It's a terrifying thought. 65 million years ago, a massive asteroid collided with Earth, an event that led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. But what if I told you that something like that could happen again? The moment this enormous asteroid struck, it unleashed catastrophic consequences. Energy equivalent to 1 billion Hiroshima bombs, earthquakes shaking the entire planet, and tsunamis reaching towering heights, devastating coastlines around the world. But before this destruction, imagine looking up at the night sky in North America. What appeared to be just a distant star would have become brighter, closer, and more terrifying as the asteroid, traveling at 45,000 miles per hour, hurtled toward Earth, heading directly for what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. As it entered Earth's atmosphere, it didn't slow down like smaller meteors. Instead, it crashed straight through, maintaining its velocity. The moment of impact was so intense that it sent shockwaves through the atmosphere, breaking windows across continents and emitting a sonic boom that would have been heard worldwide. The dinosaurs, living on a planet thriving with life, had no idea what was about to happen. Within moments of impact, many creatures were vaporized by the intense heat, as the air was compressed to thousands of degrees, instantly heating the Earth's surface. The impact hit so hard that it created a massive crater nearly breaching the Earth's mantle. The force generated by the asteroid caused the ground to move like liquid, creating giant vertical splashes of Earth's crust that shot into the atmosphere. In the wake of this chaos, debris launched into space, with molten rocks raining back down, traveling at speeds that would burn anything they touched. It wasn't just a brief moment of destruction. It led to a long-lasting hell on Earth, as the atmosphere became filled with a thick cloud of soot and ash, blocking out sunlight for years. What followed was a world plunged into darkness, the temperature dropping by nearly 50 degrees, the Earth froze and global ecosystems collapsed. Only the hardiest of species, like crocodiles and sea turtles, survived by finding refuge in water or burrowing deep underground. But what if another asteroid is headed for Earth right now? Research using supercomputers suggests that asteroids from the Oort cloud, where debris lingers at the edge of our solar system, could be pushed into our path by gravitational forces. These asteroids, like the Chicxulub impactor, could be 10 kilometers wide or larger, and while it's a rare event, it's not a matter of if another asteroid will strike Earth, but when. In fact, NASA has been tracking potentially hazardous asteroids like 4660 Nereus, which recently passed Earth and is projected to come dangerously close again in 2060. While Nereus is not on a direct collision course, astronomers are constantly watching, knowing that even a slight deviation could bring it straight to Earth, leading to another disaster. But there's hope. NASA's DART mission, aimed at testing if we could divert an asteroid from its collision course, is a critical step forward. The mission's target is Dimorphos, a moonlet of the asteroid Didymos. By crashing a spacecraft into Dimorphos, NASA hopes to change its trajectory and prevent any future impact. However, it's a delicate test, and changing the course of a massive asteroid heading straight for Earth would require much more than a spacecraft collision. Humanity might need to think even bigger, possibly using nuclear weapons or other drastic measures to avoid extinction. As we learn from the past, these space rocks are a very real threat, and the more we understand them, the better we can prepare. Imagine the devastation that would unfold if another asteroid like Chicxulub hit Earth today. The global destruction, earthquakes, firestorms, tsunamis, and the collapse of ecosystems would be nothing short of Armageddon. Yet we don't have the technology right now to stop an asteroid of that size, and the world's governments would need to act quickly, bringing together resources to prevent a catastrophe. The potential for another global disaster remains a frightening possibility, but with scientific advances, perhaps we can one day stop an asteroid from ending life as we know it. Until then, all we can do is prepare, observe, and hope that when the next big asteroid comes, we'll have the tools to survive. The universe is full of surprises, and this one might be the deadliest yet.